tan B is equal to 1. Complementary means sum of the two angles is equal to 90 degrees. Is there any possibility to that one or not? We are going to check. In this way, we are going to crack the problem. That's why I'm telling each and every point very clearly to you. See there, pi by 24. By observing the arguments, suppose the value is k. By observing the arguments, pi by 24 and 11 pi by 24. By adding these two, we get pi by 2. Because of 12 pi by 24, it is pi by 2. Similarly, 3 pi by 4, 9 pi by 4, 7 pi by 24, and 5 pi by 24. By regrouping all these terms, we get tan A into tan B model, where A plus B is equal to pi by 2. Where A plus B is equal to pi by 2. See that. Tan pi by 24 into tan 11 pi by 24. Tan 3 pi by 24 into tan 9 pi by 24. Tan 5 pi by 24 into tan 7 pi by 24. Now, 16 pi by 24 is there. In this, by cancelling 8 2s are 8 3s. 2 pi by 3. See there. 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3. We don't know the value of 2 pi by 3. Now, we are going to express this one as pi minus pi by 3. Second quadrant angle. Then you know how to write that one. So here A plus B is equal to pi by 2. If A plus B is equal to pi by 2, then tan A into tan B is equal to 1. That's why this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. And tan of 2 pi by 3, 2 pi by 3. If you are not able to understand, put pi is equal to 180 degrees. That is, you will get there 120 degrees. 120 degrees means it is very nearer to 90 degrees. 90 plus 30 right there, or 180 minus 60 right there, as your wish. So tan of, I am writing pi minus pi by 3. Pi minus pi by 3 means the angle is in second quadrant. So tan is negative. Pi is there. Pi plus or minus, that is 180 plus or minus.
बड़ौदा स्पोर्टिंग गुड्स
इंडियन लिखा है।
अच्छा, पर बेचते तो सिर्फ बड़ौदा में हो ना। नाम इंडियन रखा है तो पूरे इंडिया में बेचो ना। GoDaddy के साथ बिजनेस ऑनलाइन।
So make sure you watch this video till the end to learn how to do it. So let's get started. We are going to create a website in just 2 parts. Now fill up these details. Just scroll down. And then under software. So to choose your website design, you need to install a theme called Astra in WordPress. And you can also see your website's pages, which has, and click refresh. So to create a page with templates, let's click here. And you will find a lot of designs here.
Yes, anybody has any doubt?
Now if you want to use any design, simply click it.
Okay. I'm going
and
to
see
move.
how it looks like.
If anybody wants, take the screenshot.
If you like it,
Hi guys, I'm Shivang from websitelearners.com. Today I'll be showing you how you can create your business email address for free. So after watching this video, instead of you using a normal Gmail account like this one, you'll be able to use an email ID like yourname@yoursite.com, which looks a lot more professional. Now this means you'll be able to send or receive emails using addresses like contact@yoursite.com or support@yoursite.com. So after you create a business email, we'll see how you can connect your business email with Gmail so that everything can be managed in one place. So all you need to have to follow this tutorial is a domain name with GoDaddy. So if you don't have a domain name, you can get it now just by clicking here. So you can get the domain and then follow this tutorial. So after you've got the domain, now if you try to create an email account on that domain, you would need to pay about $5 a month for creating a business email. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can avoid paying that amount, and the first step is to log into GoDaddy. So let's go to godaddy.com.
And so on is equal to 1. That is, in general, here I am writing Sign
Did you
off.
know you can create a custom business email to send and receive emails?
That is
Kind of build up a personal
sign
brand.
off.
So my business email is going to be my name,
4n
Stuart
plus
Gould,
1
and I'm going to
into
click get it.
pi by 2.
Now, as you can see, I have the option to add
Note of
.com, .org,
off.
.net,
4n
.app,
plus
or
1 into
info,
pi
and
by
there's
2,
other endings.
where
These are
n belongs
called
to Z.
TLD, top level domain. So I've got my domain name,
Belongs
which
to
is
Z
Stuart
plus.
Gould. Now I want to
Or
add
n
a
belongs to W
TLD,
right
so I'm
there.
going to
That is
select
better.
.com, as my business is
N belongs to
international
W.
and .com is recognized internationally. Your domain name or your personal domains for free. Use send
Sign
and
off.
receive
4n plus 1
emails.
into pi by 2 is equal to 1. Next. Sign off. 4n minus 1 into pi by 2.
बड़ौदा स्पोर्टिंग गुड्स।
इंडियन लिखा है।
अच्छा, पर बेचते तो सिर्फ बड़ौदा में हो ना।
If you
What
like
is
it,
one? Right there. That
just
is
click in. So once you get the domain,
sign off.
now if we open a new tab
4n minus 1 into
and enter
pi
the
by
new
2
domain which we
is
purchased
equal to minus 1, where n belongs to capital N.
and again click
Where n
continue,
belongs to capital N.
enter a title. And now to start creating a page, just click edit with Elementor. And now it will take you to this blank section. And now you have two options to create your page. First, you can either choose these elements. Now templates are. Now again, like we did before, this is the domain name which we got for free. And this domain has this extra text after the
Cos
site
of
name which
odd
we selected.
multiples of pi by 2.
Now instead of this,
Cos of
what if you
odd
want to have a
multiples of
domain
pi by
name
2
like
is equal to 0.
techyleaf.com?
Cos of
So if you
odd
want to get
multiple
a
of pi
domain
by
name
2.
like this, you can get it by purchasing a .com domain. So next, let's see how you can get a .com domain.
Cos
The
of
payment,
odd multiple of pi
you
by
will
2
be able to
is
use
equal
this
to
domain for 1 year. Now to get the domain, let's enter our card. Hi guys! Today we're going to see how you can create an online shopping app for your e-commerce website and drop it here.
some values, useful values.
Like
You
this.
must be remember them.
And click
Root
install
3 is
now.
equal to
So let's fill up these
1.41
details.
approximate values. Root 3 is equal to 1.73. 1 by
And then
root
go to
2 is
ads.
equal to 0.7. Root 3 by 2 is equal to 0.87. You must be keep in your mind these values.
Hi guys, I'm Sham from websitelearners.com.
Graph the
Today I'm going to
trigonometric
show you how you can make a
These
logo
values are very useful.
and pick
That's
your
why
second
you
icon.
must be remember this
Now I'm
value.
going to place this icon here and then change this color. To change the color, again, just click on the place where you want to change and then change the color here. Okay, so now we have successfully created our icon. So next, let's go to step 3, which is to add your brand name to your logo. So to add your brand name, this is where we are going to make our logo.
What we learn
We are going to make our logo in just 4 steps. So the first step is to go to the logo making tool. So to go there, just click the link below this video
Yes, Ravi, is there any doubt?
Sir, I was just telling
and
you,
it'll take you to
cos
this
even
page.
multiple of
Now this is where
will be 1, no, sir?
Cos even multiples of pi by 2. How can you say that? 1. There is one chance is there, minus 1 is also there.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay. Suppose 6 into pi by 2. Then what is the answer?
Minus 1.
Yeah, that's why. Understood?
Oh, yes, now understood.
Yes, anybody has any doubt? Medansh.
Sir, you gave shortcuts for sine, cos, no sir. There is no shortcut for tan, sir.
For what?
For tan, sir. For tan theta, tangent.
For
Tan
tangent,
theta.
there is no
Yes, sir.
shortcut. There is one formula is there only, tan and pi.
Tan and pi. Okay, sir.
Yeah, tan and pi is there. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now problem right now. Which of the following is are incorrect? Which of the following is are incorrect? Now we are going to practice the problems. Just see on the screen. Try them. First observe the angles which are greater than 180, 360. Then put them into coterminal form. And again convert them into quadrant form. Quadrants form. Which of the following is are incorrect? Incorrect one I am asking you. See there, how we are going to write 510 degrees. 510 degrees, which is greater than 360. It contains 1360 plus 150. So secant 510 is equal to secant 150. Now 150 is nearer to 180. So secant 180 minus 30 right there. Now the angle is in 180 minus theta form. The angle is in second quadrant. In second quadrant, secant is negative minus secant is secant, that is secant 30 minus secant 30 is equal to 2 by root 3. Likewise, you will check all. You will check all of you. You check all options. Varshik. Which one is not correct? Varshik. Option? Option 4. Very good. Option 4 is incorrect. Option 4 is incorrect. Vihik.
Same sir, option 4.
Okay, very good. Other than option 4, if anybody has incorrect, raise your hand. Other than 4, anybody has incorrect, then raise your hand. So in this way, we are going to solve all the options. First option, this is. For the second option, cos 585, it is 360 plus 225. So cos 225, it is 180 plus 45. 180 plus theta is in third quadrant. So minus cos 45. That is minus 1 by root. Tan 855, it contains two 360s plus 135. Tan 135, it is, I am writing 90 plus 45. That is in second quadrant. Tan 855 is equal to minus cot 45. It is minus 1. Note down. If anybody not completed, take this. Next, for the fourth one, sine of pi by 3. I am writing 2 pi minus pi by 3. That is sine of 2n pi minus theta minus sine theta. Sine of minus pi by 3, that is minus sine pi by 3. Sine pi by 3 is, you know that, root 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 2. That's why it is wrong. Option D is wrong. Next problem. Okay, dear students, first ask your doubts because now the time is 10 o'clock. This is your doubt session. If anybody has any doubts, ask me. I will explain first of all. If there is time, then definitely I'm going to give some problems. Yes, one by one, ask your doubts. Samik.
Sir, this some sir did D option D I did in a different method, sir. Means I substituted pi value, I got it a sine 300, sir. Is this okay, sir?
Okay, that is not an issue. Okay,
Okay, sir.
that is not an issue. Good. Yes. Srihit. Srihit, are you there?
Yes, sir. I'm not getting how to eliminate theta, sir.
What?
Can you explain 16th question, sir? Exercise 1.
Exercise 1?
16th one.
16th one.
Yes, sir. I'm not getting, sir. How to eliminate theta?
Wait. Exercise 1, 16.
Yes, sir.
What is that question? Read it. Srihit. Are you there? Srihit. Srihit, are you there or not? You asked me, again you are not in the online. Okay, Shashank.
Sir, is sin n pi minus pi by 3 equal to minus pi by 3, sir?
What is that?
Sin of n pi minus pi by 3 equal to minus pi by 3, sir.
No, sine of 2n pi. Don't forget, sine of 2n pi minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, anybody has any doubt? Medansh.
Sir, yes, sir. I have sent one picture, sir.
Speak loudly. You are not
Sir,
audible to me.
Sir, I have sent one picture to you, sir. Did you receive it, sir?
What is that?
In that means in trigonometric ratios only, sir. One problem I have sent it, sir. In that, I'm not understanding what is the dash, sir. It is there, no, sir. Sine 40 degrees, 35, and in superscript, sir, some dash is there, sir. I'm
What
not.
you are sending? What is your number?
I'm saying you, sir. Sir, you 1 second, sir. I'm saying I am Medansh, sir.
Okay, sine 40 degrees. That is you are asking.
Yes, sir. That only sine 40 degrees and 35 and dash is there, sir.
That is already I told you. That's why I am asking you. You are not listening the class. In what way I am saying? Once you recall, sine of 40 degrees, 35 minutes, that is.
Okay, that's minutes only, sir. I confused because in sine, how minutes would come, I got confused, sir.
Cos of 19 degrees, 25 minutes.
Yes, sir. I understood, sir.
Plus,
I got confused because generally you told us how to solve degrees to minutes, minutes to seconds, no, sir. In
yes, yes.
in
But
trigonometric values
observe,
also.
this is not in the trigonometric ratio topic.
Yes, sir.
That is not.
No, no, we I can't practice this, no, sir. This will not come in exam, no, sir. Like these
Yeah,
questions.
yes.
Okay, sir.
Because of
Okay,
these are not in the trigonometric ratios. These are in trigonometric compound angles. Okay,
okay, sir.
good. Yes.
Thank
Is
you,
there any
sir.
doubt? Okay, okay, fine. Srihit,
Sir, I had disturbance, sir, so I unmuted that time.
okay. What is your doubt?
Exercise 116 question, sir.
Tell me, what is that 16th question?
If x equal to a cos square theta sin theta.
If x is equal to a cos square
Cos
theta
sin theta.
sin theta. Okay. Y is equal to
A sin square theta cos theta.
a sin square theta cos theta.
Then
Then
find x square plus y square whole cube by x square y square.
x square plus y square whole cube by
X square
x
y
square
square.
y square. Directly you can solve it now.
Sir, I'm unable to eliminate theta, sir.
See there. Directly see there. X square plus y square whole cube is there. X square plus y square. What you are writing x square? A square into cos to the power of 4 theta into sin square theta.
Sin square theta. Yes, sir.
A square into sin to the power of 4 theta into cos square theta by x square y square. That is a cos to the power of 4 theta into sin square theta into a square into
sin power 4 theta cos square theta.
sin power 4 theta into cos square theta.
Yes, sir.
No.
Sir, whole cube, sir. In the numerator.
Okay, okay. That is not an issue. It is sin square theta. Now here is whole cube is there.
Yes, sir.
Now see there. This is equal to, I am going to take a square. That is, it becomes a to the power of 6. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now I am going to take there
Cos 12.
Cos square theta sin square theta. Cos square theta sin square theta. See common, that is.
Yes, sir. Cos square sin square.
Cos square theta sin square theta whole cube. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now we are with cos square theta plus sin square theta whole cube. Okay?
Yes, sir.
By in the denominator a square into a square a to the power of 4 cos to the power of 6 theta
Sin 6 theta.
sin to the power of 6 theta. Now see there. Cos to the power of 6 theta, cos to the power of 6 theta, sin to the power of 6 theta, sin to the power of 6 theta. So cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So answer is a square.
Understood, sir.
Just to substitute and simplify, you are not doing that.
We should eliminate theta, sir.
This is elimination, huh?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay. Yes, is there any doubt to anyone? No doubts? Okay, we will continue the problems. We will continue. There is time. We will continue.
మీరు చాలా మంది అడిగారు ఈ ఇంటికి వాటర్ ట్యాంక్ ఉందా, అలాగే మనకి ఇండియాలో గ్యాస్ సిలిండర్స్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం కదా కుకింగ్కి, వాటికి పెద్ద పెద్ద బిల్డింగ్స్ ఉంటాయి, ఇంకా స్కై స్క్రేపర్స్ ఇవన్నీ ఉంటాయి కదా, వాటినంతా కూడా ఇలా వుడ్తోనే బిల్డ్ చేస్తారా అని చెప్పి అడిగారు. వుడెన్ హౌసెస్ది లైఫ్ స్పాన్ ఎన్ని రోజుల దాకా ఉంటుంది? నార్మల్గా కన్స్ట్రక్షన్లో వుడ్ మనకి చీపర్గా అవుతుందా, కాంక్రీట్ కూడా అంటే బిల్డింగ్ ఎలా కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేశారు ఏంటని చెప్పి మన ఆడియన్స్కి వీళ్ళకి చూపిస్తామంటే సో చూపిమని చెప్పారు, అందుకని చెప్పి రికార్డ్ చేశాను. సో ఇప్పుడైతే మనకి చాలా క్వశ్చన్స్ తెలియదు, ఇంకా నాకు కూడా కొంచెం ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అయితే తెలియదు, ఎంత ప్లేస్, ఏరియా స్క్వేర్ ఫీట్ ఎంత, కాస్ట్ ఎంత పడింది, ఇట్లాంటివన్నీ నాకు కూడా అంతగా తెలియదు అనమాట. సో వాటిని అన్నిటినీ అడగడానికి మా ఫ్రెండ్ అయితే తీసుకొని వచ్చాను ఇప్పుడు. సో తినే మా ఫ్రెండ్. హాయ్, ఇప్పుడైతే మీ క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్నిటినీ అడుగుదాం. సో ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చేసి కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ లైక్ ఎంత స్క్వేర్ ఫీట్లో జరుగుతుంది అండ్ బిల్డింగ్ ఎంత, టోటల్ యార్డ్ ఇవన్నీ అంత కలిపి ఎంత ఎంత అవుతుంది?
టోటల్ ప్లాట్కి అయితే అరౌండ్ 6,000 స్క్వేర్ ఫీట్ ఉంది.
ఓకే.
అండ్ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ వచ్చేసి 2 స్టేర్స్కి కలిపి 3,701 స్క్వేర్ ఫీట్.
ఓకే. క్వశ్చన్స్ అయితే పేపర్లో రాసుకొని వచ్చుకున్నాను. సో కన్స్ట్రక్షన్కి అయ్యే ఎక్విప్మెంట్ అంతా ఎంత అయిందో కాస్త ఫుల్ డీటెయిల్స్ చెప్పండి.
ఇది టోటల్ ఇది ఒక కమ్యూనిటీ అండ్ బిల్డర్స్ టేక్ కేర్ చేస్తారు, మనకు అసలు స్కోప్ కూడా ఎవరు అయితే ఆ విషయాలు ఏం తెలియవు. సో బిల్డర్ కూడా వేరే బయట కాంట్రాక్టర్ త్రూ చేయిస్తారు. సో ఇవాళ వర్క్ చేయట్లేదు వీళ్ళు, బట్ మనకు అసలు ఆ డీటెయిల్స్ ఏమి చెప్పరు, అసలు ఐడియా లేదు దాని గురించి.
అంటే బేసిక్గా ఈ వుడ్కి ఎంత అవుతుంది, ఈ వైరింగ్ ఎట్లా ఎంత అని చెప్పి ఏముండదు, కాకపోతే మొత్తం అంతా కలిపి బల్క్గా వాళ్ళు
అప్గ్రేడ్స్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు మనకి ప్రజెంట్ మనకి 6 ఫీట్ డోర్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఇల్లు మొత్తం. ఫస్ట్ ఫ్లోర్ అయితే 8 ఫీట్ డోర్స్కి అప్గ్రేడ్ చేసుకున్నాము, అదొకటి. తర్వాత
5π/6 as 5-π/6, 3π/4 as 5-π/4. So sin square π/3, cos square π/6 minus tan square π/4. √3/2 whole square plus √3/2 whole square minus 1 square. It is 3/4 plus 3/4 minus 1. So it is not 0. It is 1/2. That is 0.5. That is 0.5. Yes, Srihit, is there any doubt?
Forgot to lower my hand, sir. Sorry.
Okay. Rahul.
Sir, I have one small doubt, sir.
Ask me.
Sir, if sin 180 minus theta means sin theta, no, sir?
Yes.
And also sin square 180 minus theta is equal to sin square theta, sir?
Yes. Because at the beginning I told you one notation. Sin to the power of n theta means sin theta whole to the power of n. Remember this notation.
Yeah, sir, I understood that, sir. Then cos square 180 minus theta is equal to minus cos, no, sir?
Minus cos whole square. See the notation on the screen.
Minus cos whole square.
Not understood?
No, sir.
See there? Cos square minus theta, suppose.
Yeah, sir.
It is minus Rahul.
Yeah, sir.
Understood this one? The notation is very, very important. Any trigonometric ratio. Square means whole square. Understood? Rahul?
Yes, sir.
This is whole square means cos square theta.
Yes.
That is.
Thank you, sir.
Next problem, note down. If root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta is equal to, if root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta is equal to cosecant theta plus cot theta, cosecant theta plus cot theta, then theta belongs to the quadrant. Then theta belongs to which quadrant? See, cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. Now to simplify this one, I am going to multiply the numerator and denominator with the conjugate of denominator. The conjugate of denominator is 1 plus cos theta. That is cosecant theta, I am writing 1 by sin theta plus cot theta, cos theta by sin theta is equal to root of 1 plus cos theta whole square by 1 minus cos square theta. It is by taking LCM here, 1 plus cos theta by sin theta is equal to mod 1 plus cos theta by mod sin theta. Mod 1 plus cos theta by mod sin theta. Now see there, 1 plus cos theta is always positive. 1 plus cos theta is always positive. Since 1 plus cos theta or 1 minus cos theta is always positive, these two are always positive. So 1 plus cos theta should cancel. These two are cancelled. So sin theta is equal to mod sin theta. That is mod sin theta is equal to sin theta. That means sin theta is greater than 0. Sin theta is greater than 0. Sin theta is positive means theta lies in first or second quadrants. First or second quadrants. Option 3. First or in second quadrants.
When your website fits like that, works like
Yes, Shashank, is there any doubt?
that and runs as fast as that, it feels good. With WordPress hosting from Hostinger, you're just one click away from a powerful website building platform. Pick one of our suggested websites.
కానీ వర్టికల్ వ్యూయింగ్ యాంగిల్స్ అంత బాగాలేవు అంటే మరీ పైనుంచి కింది నుంచి చూస్తే అంత ఫేడ్ అయి
Then minus 1 to 1 cos theta, add 1, then what you are getting? Positive or negative?
మామూలుగా చూసుకుంటే మనకి రీఫ్రెష్ రేట్ ఎంత ఉంటేనే కానీ మనం గేమ్స్ పూర్తి స్థాయిలో అయితే ఉన్న ల్యాప్టాప్స్ తో కంపేర్ చేసి చూసినట్టయితే 25% థిన్నర్ అలాగే వచ్చేసరికి 45% లైటర్ ఉంటుందని చెప్పేసి వీళ్ళైతే చెప్తున్నారు. చూడడానికి కూడా ఈ ల్యాప్టాప్ వచ్చేసరికి అదే రకం.
What you are asking?
Sir, range for cos theta and minus cos theta is same, sir.
Both are same, na? Cos theta range is minus 1 to 1. But when we multiply with negative sign, already I told you the inequalities. You are not listening? Again, minus cos theta is also lies between minus 1 and 1. Understood? So that's why 1 plus cos theta or 1 minus cos theta are always positive. Okay. You got my point? Your voice is breaking. Okay, dear students, tomorrow we will meet with some more problems. Until then, keep working. Have a nice day.